Okay, so we'll go ahead, we'll walk through just a cost breakdown of the LightWriter. Now, obviously, we have made a few assumptions here. This is going to be different for everybody depending on your application and your volumes, but we made the assumption looking at a 3-year payback with the LightWriter, cost per mark. All right, so your upfront cost, you're at $20,000. Divide that up by your 3 years, that puts you at $6,700 per year. And then cost per week, assuming that you're running over 52 weeks, puts you at $128. Break that down, assuming 1 8-hour shift, $3.20 per hour. And then if you're getting 1 mark per minute, which is very doable, divide 320 by 60, puts you at 5 cents. So what happens when you factor in electricity? Okay. You've got about 1,650 watts of electricity that you're consuming. And we did this just based on some local costs. So that puts you at about 2 cents per hour to run the system. That gives you 0.0003 cents. So your total cost per mark, it's about a nickel. Not too bad.